your friends and make a plan. Let's have ourselves a date. No promises or consequence. We have no time to waste. We go from London to Paris, city to state. Drive 100 miles an hour, staying out too late. Living life as a nomad, take it day by day. Cause there's no one to tell us what to do. I want the sunny days to shine a light on me. Can't let them go to waste. They feel so far away when all the sky is gray. I miss the sunny days.
I want the sunny days to shine a light on me. Well, now the plan is simple, to chase a maybe. The sky is full of dark clouds, and the chances of a clean sunset are very low. But sometimes you don't ride for guarantees, you ride for possibilities. This road towards Laitlum is beautiful, even on a dull day, cloudy day. Villages pass by. The air is feeling colder, and with every turn feels like it's saying, let's see what's around the next corner. Will we actually see the sun? Honestly, no idea. But half the fun isn't going anyway.
I want the sunny days to shine a light on me. Can't let them go to waste. They feel so far away when all the sky is gray. I miss the sunny days.
Just riding and slowly attaining flow state, aren't we? Riding in a beautiful countryside and no talking. Pure vibes. Don't you feel it? And here we are, Laitlum Canyons. Even with the heavy clouds hanging low, this place is so dramatic. You can feel the wind and that special silence you only get at the edge of the hills. I did not waste time. I took out the drone, set it up, and sent it flying over the hills. From above, the canyons look unreal. Layers of hills, fading into the mist, narrow paths like threads, and tiny houses tucked into the landscape. After a bit of flying, I land the drone, sit down with a hot cup of tea. That's when the real star of this episode appears. A cute little tiny tot. And just when everything feels perfect, Meghalaya reminds me who's the boss. The wind picks up, temperature drops, and it starts to drizzle. I quickly finish my tea, make the payment, and put on the rain layers before the clouds decide to really open up. That's the thing about Laitlum. You show up, you see what the day wants to give to you, and you say thank you. Now, the ride back to the homestay is a whole different vibe. Headlight cutting through the fog, raindrops on the visor, the sound of the engine echoing in the hills. It feels less like a commute and more like a mood. I'm actually going to keep that entire return ride for the next week as a separate ride and vibe episode. So make sure you watch out for the next one. Bye bye. Thank you.